So is dropshipping a get-rich-quick scheme? Today we're going to talk about it, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in with me for another video. Like I said, in these last couple of videos that I've uploaded, or at least created, these are just going to be one-take videos, basically me getting a stream of consciousness out to you guys, no, off the cuff, no editing at all. So if you guys like these types of videos, make sure you guys subscribe down below, throw a like on this video. With that being said, let's dive into the topic at hand today, and that is dropshipping a get-rich-quick scheme? Now, I know a lot of people reach out to me and ask me that. I've even had people literally ask me, their parents say that dropshipping is a get-rich-quick scheme. You know what I mean? And I've had people say, how do I convince them or show them that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme? I always tell people that ask me that, I say, listen, this is a real business that you're building, and that's common sense, but people seem to forget that. There's a lot of people, internet gurus, whatever it is, you guys see it online, that want to sell you the dream. They want to sell you, really they want to sell you an expensive course. That's all they care about, right? However, when you're in that industry and you're in that environment, you can easily see, oh man, this is kind of scammy. The people just want to, get my money. Essentially, within this industry, there's a lot of that. I'm here to tell you guys that dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme by any means, guys. You can get rich quick, but it's not get-rich-quick scheme at all. It's a real business that you guys are actually building, and it's going to have longevity for you, and it's an income stream, a stream of income that you guys are building for yourselves. So as far as dropshipping being a get-rich-quick scheme, absolutely not. A lot of people also say, is dropshipping a scam? Is this blah, blah, blah? I think it's mainly because a lot of gurus nowadays, this is the environment of that, the internet guru trying to sell you something, and, there's not much compassion or personality, I would say, and a lot of that within this industry. So I can understand where people are coming from, and it's difficult as a beginner to kind of, decipher the right from wrong information and who's really trying to help you or whatnot. And I totally understand that. And so for those of you that are in that situation, I just want to let you guys know that, join the family. This is a spot, it's a safe haven. I am going to be doing these videos more so that you guys just know me. You guys can trust me, because I want to be more so of your friend. And that's why I'm making these vlog style videos. So I'm really enjoying it, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think of these videos. Now back at the topic at hand, you know what I mean? Dropshipping being a get-rich-quick scheme or a scam? Completely not, guys. You guys are gonna find throughout life, really, even everything that you do, you're gonna find that people's opinions, you have to form your own opinion, and it's great to take people's other opinions and maybe their experience and whatnot, but at the end of the day, you're in your body, you control your decisions, you have to make an opinion for yourself, you really do. So as far as you program your brain, essentially, and I talk about the universal laws, the law of attraction, a ton of different stuff, and that's why I'm glad we can do these vlog style videos, so I can jump over to this topic a little bit, because it ties within it. Everything you put in your brain, if you think dropshipping is a scam and a get-rich-quick scheme, it's not going to work for you, most likely it's not going to work for you. And that's how our brain works. You need to, if you don't know anything about that, study up on the principles of that, of the human mind and the law of attraction, universal laws, a ton of different things like that you guys can study up on. There's many different books, and I also talk about those on this channel and on my page. So study up on that, guys. And what I mean by that essentially is, it really is the law of attraction, law of vibration. Whatever you put into your consciousness and your mind repeatedly, that's going to manifest, and you're going to attract that. Have you ever gotten a new car and you see that car everywhere on the, maybe your best friend got a new car, and then you see that car everywhere on the freeway, or if it's your car, whatever, your mom's car, you just see that car all the time, all of a sudden. And I believe that's the reticulator activating system. It's something like that, where essentially within your brain is so powerful, everything that you think about, you're going to see more of that and attract it, and that goes for good or bad. That's why it's important, guys, to keep your mind in the right spot. If you're feeding your brain with a bunch of things saying dropshipping isn't going to work, dropshipping isn't going to work, it's not going to work for you, most likely, guys. If you do feed your brain with positive thoughts, that you're going to create your own reality. Positive thoughts, dropshipping does work, e-commerce does work. I am very sustainable off e-commerce. I make a lot of money off e-commerce. Affirmations like that, guys, over time within your consciousness, keep on applying those, and they're gonna go into your subconscious, and therefore you can really train your brain and program your brain to the way that you guys want. That's very, very important for a lot of you guys to keep in mind. Now, I talked about this topic and this idea of abundance before in my videos, and I think it's something that, just programming your brain like we're talking about, you really can manifest your own reality. You get to create your own reality within your own thoughts. You plant positive thoughts, affirmations into your head, positive things like, I make money, and you feel that. Say you want to make $1,000 straight profit every single day after everything, $1,000 profit every day. What would that feel like when you're really doing that? Capture that feeling and try to stretch that as far as long as you possibly can. That feeling, and I think you guys can get my drift. But if you've never played around with your mind like that and really trying to program your own mind for the better, it's something to think about, guys. Especially the younger that you guys are, the more you guys do this, the earlier on, the better. It's really, our brains are so powerful, and that kind of ties my whole idea within this the whole video together, I believe, with what I'm trying to get to you guys, is that it's about what you program your brain. That you're gonna create your own reality based on your own thoughts. And if you think I'm talking gibberish, really read up on this stuff, guys. Learn about the universal laws, learn more about your mind, read some books, pick up some books. Especially if you guys are young, you may think, that's older, I'll do that when I'm older. No, you guys need to program and start training your brain in the right, correct way if you guys really want to see success. You guys will, it's different books like Think and Grow Rich, The Secret. Those are just more mainstream books too. There's tons of books that are more, less known, that you guys can pick up and read and really learn valuable things. This is stuff that they didn't teach you in school. You know what I mean? They don't teach you the power of your own mind. At least I didn't get taught that in school. You know what I mean? So, going back to the point with that, like I said, I'm really trying to hit home and really drill that into you guys' mind. Whatever you guys think, if you guys are looking at these videos, you probably looked up this video, but if you found me on search results, is dropshipping a scam? Is dropshipping a get rich quick scheme? If you're seeking out that knowledge, you're literally creating your own reality, and you may think that's BS or whatever it is, but I promise you, you needed to see that video. You needed to see this video, me telling you this, if you think that, because this is a sign for you to go, learn more about the power of the mind and how it can really improve every aspect of your mind. Your life, excuse me. You better your mind, your body, your soul, everything, it's gonna be better. Of course, what do you think is gonna happen? That's why it all makes perfect sense when you really get aligned with the universe, essentially. And it may be a little esoteric for you guys, it may be a little out there for some of you guys to handle possibly at this point in your journey, but I want to let you guys know that, the more you guys, school up and learn more about these topics, you guys will uncover a lot of different things. Very, very successful people in this world use these exact same principles. So, the topic of today's video, like I said multiple times, I don't want to ramble off to the point, off of the topic too much. Is dropshipping a scam and a get rich quick scheme? It is not. It is a real business, guys, and treat it like a real business, and it will, pay you like a real business. You know what I mean? And it's all behind, it's all about the energy you put behind things, the intentions that you put behind things. If you put the intention that I don't think dropshipping is working, I don't think e-commerce is going to work for me, it's probably not going to work for you. You know what I mean? But for example, look up Conor McGregor. I know you guys all know Conor McGregor. Look up YouTube videos about his, law of attraction. Just type in Conor McGregor law of attraction, and that will, show you more about what I'm talking about. And everybody pretty much knows Conor McGregor. So there's tons of people, Steve Harvey, Jim Carrey, you know what I mean? Learn more about this stuff, guys. It's going to create your own reality, and it's your own reality within your business and your life and your relationships, everything, guys. Dropshipping is not a scam. It's not a get rich quick scheme at all. You can get rich quick, but it's something that has longevity. It's a real business. E-commerce is taking off, guys. It already has, but it's only going to get more and more and more. You guys have seen this with this year alone, how much it's drastically changed with all this, whatever it's going on, the current events. So I'm trying to give you guys, I'm optimistic about it, and I hope that energy can get off to you guys. Learn more about this stuff, train your mind, program your mind into the right ways to, really get out of life what you want. You are a we're more like aliens than animals, in my opinion, guys. We're crazy. We're in these bodies. We can move around. You know what I mean? You guys have to question almost everything in your life. Maybe not all the time, maybe just once a month you guys get in a spot, maybe a meditative spot, and start questioning things. Over time it will become more a part of your life. Start questioning why, you know, your programming is the way it is, everything around you, and do some meditating, guys. I always say any chance I can get to tell you guys about something that has helped me and improved my life, I'm gonna tell you guys about. And that's just how it is. That's why I love these videos, because it's an extension of myself. And these are things that I really believe in and has helped change my life. It really has. So overall, you know, hopefully the point of this video was, if you search this video up, is dropshipping a scam or whatever, hopefully this was able to give you optimism and really show you what you're doing. You're essentially programming your brain and therefore making your own reality by the thoughts and actions that you do. And for those of you, like I said, that want to learn more about this, maybe you're a non-believer, maybe you're a skeptic of this stuff, check it out. You know, look up Conor McGregor Law of Attraction, pick up some stuff. You know, if you're in a negative spot, that's not good. You know what I mean? You need to change that. If you're on a positive vibration and frequency, you're going to attract that. And that's the last I'm gonna say within this video. I hope I gave you some tips and, you know, some great value within this video. I hope I did. I appreciate you guys so much. Join the family, like I said, if you haven't yet. Drop a like down below. Let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. I hope that you guys like these videos, because I do. I really enjoy making these videos because I can just get all my thoughts to you guys right away. No edits, anything like that. So I appreciate you guys so much for all the support, and love that you guys have been giving me on the channel and the page, and I'll see you in the next one.